Academy. My name is 𝐸𝐞𝐚𝐢𝐥𝐬, and today we're making Watermelon Agua Fresca, which is a fun and refreshing drink you can make at home. Now let's get everything in measurements, which means everything in place. The ingredients that we will be using today is half a watermelon, some lemon slices, some water, and some coconut sugar, which is a healthier alternative from white sugar. Okay, let's get started. So now we're going to cube the watermelon. And remember, whenever you're using a knife, always use this cloth with your hands. There's no chance of your fingers getting cut. So you'll just go like that. Transfer your watermelon into your bowl. Now you need 3/4 cups of water. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. And then you need about 2 cups of watermelon, so out of your bowl you can just take the cup. Now that our watermelon in water that we just made is done blending, we can divide it between the 3 cups. So you can just pour some. You can add on some lemon slices, so I just cut a lemon and did that. You just add that to the side. And take some mint leaves and just sprinkle them on top. And just like that. And then it's a perfect healthy drink and better than some soda. And I hope you enjoy making this healthy alternative, and if fun, and don't forget to like and subscribe.